Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our first Jaclyn Roxanne unboxing. So if you would like to see what I picked up from the latest launch, well then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Guys, if you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Belinda. I'm a self-taught mature makeup artist. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, reviews, skincare, and things like that. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to all. And let's get into this. So, I like a lot of Jaclyn cosmetics things, and I have both of Jaclyn's palettes, and I have been wanting to order from her jewelry line, but I wanted to wait a little while. There's still one thing, maybe two things or three things that I really still want, but I wanted to just get a couple things at first and try them out and see, how they wear on me. And that's what I did. It was the summer launch. I bought two things and we are going to unbox those together and I'm going to show them to you. So let's get into it. So I went ahead and untaped the box. I got two things. So this is from the summer collection, and it is the Magnificent size 7 rhodium ring, and it comes in a box kind of like a skin, like a snake skin print. Nice packaging. Oh, can you see that shine? Oh my goodness. That is magnificent. Guys, this is the Magnificent ring. I hope that the camera is picking up on just how beautiful the sparkle is in this ring. That is gorgeous. So my ring is being re-dipped. There's something in my ring that I don't know, makes me itchy, I guess. So I thought while my ring is gone, I can be rocking this gorgeousness. Look at that. Please, I hope the camera is picking this up. That is just stunning. Gosh, that is beautiful. Jaclyn, if you see this, in her spring collection reveal, I had asked in the comments if she would please make a ring like her engagement ring. I don't know if this is to be like her engagement ring, but I think her engagement ring is like a princess cut, but I think that would just be so gorgeous to have like a replica, because all the girls want that kind of ring. But this is just gorgeous. This, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get used to this. I'm not used to having something, all the way around, but that is just gorgeous. Now let's get into this next one. I've been looking at these for a while, and these are the pair of graduated tube hoop earrings. And they also come in the box. I'll open the box and we'll look together. Oops. I'll open the box and we'll look together. Something fell out. Look at those. Wear with love. Keep it looking beautiful and it will do the same for you. Keep away from cleaners, soaps, lotions, perfumes, sunscreens, and other liquids. Be sure to take off before you exercise, run, swim, bike, and work out. Gently wipe clean with a fresh, dry cotton cloth and store with care. Now, if I remember, she said that she exercised in hers and things like that. Now, I'm really bad about wearing my rings, my earrings and rings, and this I've wore for 7 years straight. I'll have to remember to take these out, but those are so gorgeous. I don't want them to ruin. I will take them off before I get in the shower and off before I go to bed. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. That is gorgeous. I love that. Oh, this one has a tag on it. Oh, Jaclyn Roxanne. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not, but we'll hold it up. It's a JR. I don't think I'll wear that on my ear, but I am going to put this in. So what do we think, guys? And of course, I will keep you updated on how they wear. Let me put this back in this box. How they wear. I won't wash my hand with the ring on because I don't want it to fade or anything like that. But this ring, so gorgeous. I think Jaclyn said that this was bringing 3.5, maybe 4 carats. This is not the biggest ring on her site. I do want the sweetheart, I think it's the sweetheart choker, or the longer one in rhodium. I want that one that came out from the spring collection, but that was just, I just couldn't put us in that much debt. So hopefully I will get that one later on down the line, but it's all diamonds. It's so beautiful, stunning. My husband says I have expensive taste, so I don't know, maybe one day I'll get that. But let me know, have you tried anything from the Jaclyn Roxanne collection? And if you have, let me know your experience with the jewelry. Let me know what you got, if you love it, and all that good stuff. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you love makeup and beauty related content from a southern lady from the south, well then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.